Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your MacBook Wi-Fi not working. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and go to the navigation menu on the top of your screen. If you don't see it, I'm just going to go ahead and zoom it a little slightly. If you see it right over here on the top right, you want to simply go ahead and click on it and then try to turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi. That should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, then what you might need to do is simply go ahead and try to restart your Mac. Simply click on the Apple logo on the top left of your screen and then click on the restart button right over here. And once you go ahead and do that, it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, then all you need to do is unplug your router for 30 seconds and plug it back in and restart your laptop one more time. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.